to the others. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh everyone.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
So we will start the quiz. This quiz is on the first lesson. So this is one of the easiest lessons and this is the introduction. So a lot of what we'll be learning so far will be based on the first lesson. So it's very important to learn the first lesson. Okay. And now this is a game we will play. So Fuzail, Afifa are playing together. Everyone else is playing separate. So Sadia, Adnan are playing separate. Hazik, Hifza are playing separate. Zahan is on one system. Anil Aunty and Mom are also there. So this is a game. Okay. So think of this as a game. I'll be putting questions. The questions will come on Zoom. So what everyone needs to do now is go to Zoom where you will see the questions. So whoever's on Kahoot, minimize the Kahoot, go to Zoom. Zoom will have the questions. So Fuzail, Afifa, आपको Kahoot minimize करके Zoom पे जाना है क्योंकि सारे questions Zoom पे आएंगे, ठीक है? और Zoom पे मैं read करके बताऊंगा कि question क्या है. आपको time मिलेगा फिर Kahoot पे जाना है और answer करना है. ठीक है, तो वैसे खेलेंगे हम गेम. तो आपको Zoom पे क्वेश्चन देखना है, Kahoot पे आंसर करना है और फर्स्ट फ्यू क्वेश्चंस में इनफ टाइम है, तो 2 मिनट का टाइम है जब आप आराम से देख सकते हो, ठीक है, और क्वेश्चन देख सकते हो, समझ सकते हो और Kahoot पे जाके वापस आंसर कर सकते हो. और स्टार्टिंग फ्यू क्वेश्चंस में, स्टार्टिंग 2 क्वेश्चंस में मैं अलाउ करूंगा आपको कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा Zoom पे बात करके मुझे पूछना क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. अगर आप म्यूटेड हो तो आपको अनम्यूट करके मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ेगा और ये गेम ईजी है, ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं है. 2 क्विज क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे तो इसलिए आप समझ जाओगे Kahoot. ओके, सो ऑन दैट नोट वी विल स्टार्ट. यू विल हैव लिमिटेड टाइम फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. तो हर एक क्वेश्चन का टाइम मिलेगा, तो आपको जल्दी से क्वेश्चन देखना है, समझना है. 4 ऑप्शन आएंगे और आपको सही ऑप्शन चूज करना है. ओके, वेरी इजी गेम. विल डू कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इंशाल्लाह. तो 2 क्वेश्चन आप करोगे, इजीली आप समझ जाओगे. तो आपको जूम में आना है और क्विज इंशाल्लाह अभी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. So let me just prepare and start. Awesome. So this is the first chapter, At-Tahiyatu wa Ta'aruf. और first question है, how are you? Female. ठीक है, तो लड़की को पूछ रहे हैं how are you? Female. इसके आंसर्स हैं ब्लू में मस्मुका, रेड में मा जिनसियतुकी, ग्रीन में कैफा हालुकी, ऑरेंज में मा जिनसियतुका. ठीक है, तो आपको Kahoot पे जाना है और आंसर चूज करना है. तो ब्लू इज मस्मुका, रेड इज मा जिनसियतुकी, ग्रीन इज कैफा हालुकी, ऑरेंज इज मा जिनसियतुका. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन है Zoom पे, आप दोबारा से देख सकते हो. क्वेश्चन है हाउ आर यू टू फीमेल, हाउ आर यू टू अ गर्ल, और 4 ऑप्शंस मैंने अभी बताया. तो आपको चूज करना है Kahoot पे ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन या ऑरेंज. तो अगेन, हाउ आर यू फीमेल, ब्लू इज मस्मुका, रेड इज मा जिनसियतुकी, ग्रीन इज कैफा हालुकी, ऑरेंज मा जिनसियतुका. दो लोगों ने आंसर नहीं किया है अभी तक. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो बताओ. अगर कोई टेक्निकल इशू हो रहा है, Kahoot नहीं जा पा रही हो तो मुझे बताना, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट.
Saqib ma'am.
Yes, Hazik.
I think so. Fuzail has left the game.
It's okay. Let us we'll leave them to ask any question. Still, if everyone has answered the question, we'll move to the next. Okay. So someone, at least one person has not answered the question. Even then, we need 7 answers. Even if Fuzail has left. So there's at least one person who's not answered. Is anyone facing a difficulty in answering the question? So time is running out. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7. किसी ने आंसर नहीं चूज किया है तो choose the answer. Yes, Zahan.
I've answered it, but it says
No, wait.
genius and it is loading.
If you've answered, then wait. Okay. So all 6 people have answered Kaifa Haluki. Now you're clear, Zahan. So you've answered the question. Your answer is green and your answer is correct. So these are the points. So you get points for the correct answer, or whoever answers first gets more points. Okay, so Sadia has answered first, faster than everyone else, so Sadia gets more points. So You get points only if you answer the question correctly. Okay, how are you female is kaifa haluki. Everyone has answered correctly, and Sadia was fastest, so Sadia gets more points compared to everyone. Clear? Everyone clear on Kahoot? Any questions to anyone? Okay. If no, Fuzail आप हो यहाँ पे? हमारी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Yes.
आप खेल पा रहे हो गेम?
No.
क्यों फजिल? देखो 1 मिनट है, आप अगर दोबारा से ज्वाइन कर सकते हो और या फिर एंटर कर सकते हो तो आप खेलोगे, वरना आपको देखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? और फिर क्विज के बाद आपको क्लास ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा। तो फिर से ट्राई करो, आपने ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन किया है तो kahoot.it ये वाला पिन, तो 30 सेकंड और देंगे आपको। अगर आप ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हो तो आप खेलोगे, वरना क्विज आप नहीं खेल पाओगे हमारे साथ। आप Kahoot पे गए, जा पाए आप अपने फोन पे, तो आपको ये जूम मिनिमाइज करके Kahoot पे जाके फिर आंसर करना है, और बाकी सारे लोग कर पा रहे हैं, ठीक है? आप ट्राई करते रहना। तो गेम पिन है 652204, ठीक है? तो जब आप ज्वाइन कर पाओगे तो आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। वी विल मूव ऑन। क्वेश्चन 2 is man hadihi. Man hadihi is the question. You need to see the question on Zoom. What we see is a lady with a white color coat and a stethoscope. Okay, so this is the lady. Question is man hadihi. Blue is hada tabibatun. Red is hada tabibun. Green hada mudarrisatun. Orange hadihi tabibatun. Again, man hadihi, it's the lady with the white coat. Blue is hada tabibatun. Red hada tabibun. Green hada mudarrisatun. Orange hadihi tabibatun. You need to pick one of these 4 answers on Kahoot. फुज़ैल लफीफा आप अभी भी हो गेम पे, आप इसको मिनिमाइज करके Kahoot पे जाओ और आंसर कर सकते हो। आपको जूम नीचे करके Kahoot या आपके ब्राउजर पे जाना है, तो आपका इंटरनेट हो सकता है, एक्सप्लोरर हो सकता है, उस पे जाके आप आंसर कर सकते हो। सिर्फ आपका आंसर बचा है। फुज़ैल लफीफा आप आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे हो? कौन सी स्क्रीन पे हो आप? हम आपके आंसर के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं। Kahoot पे हो? 4 ऑप्शन दिख रहे हैं आपको? ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज।
I mistakenly pressed off something.
Next time answer correctly, Adnan.
I had mistakenly pressed off.
No, next time be careful. So the answer is hadihi tabibatun.
Red.
So it is, answer is orange. Okay, because this is the picture. Okay, so it is a doctor. 2 people answered green. You answered hada mudarrisatun. Okay, so it's not, so there are 2 errors with this. One, it is not mudarris. Mudarris is a teacher. This is a doctor. And second, hada. Hada is used only with masculine. This is a lady, so it will be hadihi. Okay. Now, answers. Sadia is down. Hifza is up. So Hifza is 1920. Mama is 1916. Sadia is 3rd. Hazik is 4th. Adnan is 5th. Okay. We will move to the 3rd question now. Third question is, what is your name? Masculine. तो आपका नाम क्या है? आदमी को पूछ रहे हैं। फुज़ैल लफीफा आपको जूम पे क्वेश्चन देखना है, फिर Kahoot पे जाके आंसर देना है। तो व्हाट इज योर नेम? 2 आदमी बात कर रहे हैं। ब्लू इज मा जिनसियतुका, रेड इज कैफा हालुका, ग्रीन इज कैफा हालुकी, ऑरेंज मा इस्मुका मस्मुका। अगेन, ब्लू मा जिनसियतुका, रेड कैफा हालुका, ग्रीन कैफा हालुकी, orange masmuka. So you need to choose one of these 4 options on Kahoot. तो फुज़ैल लफीफा Kahoot पे जाके आपको ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज यही आपको दिखेगा स्क्रीन पे। इन चार में से एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है आपको काहुट पे।
ऑरेंज।
ऑरेंज दबाओ, स्क्रीन पे ऑरेंज दबाओ। वेरी गुड, अभी आप आंसर कर पाए। आपका आंसर बोलना नहीं है, ठीक है, क्योंकि बाकी लोग भी खेल रहे हैं तो वो आपका आंसर सुन लेंगे, ठीक है। तो आपको आपस में बात करना है और आंसर सिर्फ क्लिक करना है, ठीक है। वेरी गुड, अभी आप आंसर कर पाए। समझ गए आप फुजैल अफीफा?
यस।
ठीक है, तो देखो 6 people answered correct. माँ जिनसियतुका is what is your nationality? This is not the answer. तो blue है माँ जिनसियतुका, what is your nationality, which is wrong. कैफा हालुका, ठीक है, कैफा हालुका is how are you. What is your name is? माँ इसमुका या मसमुका. ओके, पॉइंट्स देखते हैं। तो मम्मा इज फर्स्ट, सो मम्मा, हिफ्जा, फिर सादिया और हाजिक। सो हाजिक हैज 3 correct answers. Very good हाजिक. And Zahan is 4th. Okay, next question on Zoom. Ahadihi tabibatun. Question is ahadihi tabibatun. You can see the picture. Picture is a girl with notebooks, and ahadihi tabibatun is the question. Blue is naam hadihi tabibatun. Red naam hadihi tabibatun. Green la hiya talibatun. Orange naam huwa talibatun. Again, blue naam hadihi talibatun. Red naam hadihi tabibatun. Green la hiya talibatun. Orange naam huwa talibatun. Now, Anil aunty, you've raised your hand. Any questions? Anil aunty, any questions? I see you raised your hand. So time is running out, guys. Ahatihi talibatun. Ahatihi talibatun is the question. एक girl है with notebooks. तो blue, red, green, orange. आपको जल्दी से एंटर करना है काहुट पे। एक किसी ने आंसर नहीं किया है और सिर्फ 10 सेकेंड बाकी है। तो जिसने भी आंसर नहीं किया है जल्दी जाके आंसर करना, सिर्फ 5 सेकेंड बाकी है। ओके, करेक्ट आंसर इज नाम हातिही तौलिबतुन। ठीक है, तो इज दिस अ स्टूडेंट? आंसर इज यस, दिस इज अ स्टूडेंट। अगर आप ला हिया तौलिबतुन बोल रहे हो, इट इज नो शी इज अ स्टूडेंट। ला आप तब बोलोगे अगर मैं पूछ रहा हूं इज दिस अ डॉक्टर। अगर डॉक्टर का पिक्चर होता तो आप बोलोगे नो शी इज अ स्टूडेंट। ठीक है, तो आंसर इज नाम आएगा क्योंकि आई एम शोइंग यू पिक्चर ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट। आपका आंसर होगा यस दिस इज अ स्टूडेंट, और सिर्फ एक ही पर्सन ने करेक्ट आंसर किया है। द डिफरेंस इज ला गलत है क्योंकि आंसर होना चाहिए नाम। यस दिस इज अ स्टूडेंट। ठीक है, तो ओनली 1% गॉट इट राइट। एंड पोजीशन ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, तो Zahan is down, Adnan is on number 4. We will see going forward who will win. So next question. He is from Turkey. ठीक है, तो he is from Turkey आदमी है। ठीक है, we see map में तुर्किया है तो it is map of Turkey. He is from Turkey. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Blue हुआ पाकिस्तानियन, रेड हुआ मिन तुर्किया, ग्रीन हुआ तुर्कियतुन, ऑरेंज हुआ तुर्कियन। ठीक है, तो अगेन ही इज फ्रॉम टर्की। टर्की का मैप है, तो एक आदमी है जो टर्की से है। आपको ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज चूज करना है। ब्लू इज हुआ पाकिस्तानियन। ओके, करेक्ट आंसर इज रेड हुआ मिन तुर्किया, ही इज फ्रॉम टर्की। 1% has answered green. Green is हुआ तुर्कियतुन। Now green is the most wrong answer. ठीक है, तो 1 हुआ is okay. तुर्कियतुन is feminine. और हुआ तुर्कियुन is he is Turkish, which is green. He is Turkish और he is from Turkey में there's a difference. तो ये आदमी है from the country of Turkey. The correct answer is red. Any questions anyone? जिसने भी green, orange आंसर किया है, कोई question? Okay, we will move on. तो मम्मा, सादिया, हिफ्जा, तीनों के बीच में बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन है। तो 4000, 3928, 3921। तो सादिया, हिफ्जा, यू आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज। और हाजिक और जहान के बीच में भी कंपटीशन चल रहा है. And Adnan, you are way behind. You need to answer correctly, Adnan.
No, my first points have not yet come.
What has not yet come?
The first points,
Hmm.
it's not come.
What do you mean?
Meaning, like, first one which I had answered correctly.
No, that is it's correct. So you need to continue. You need to answer all of the remaining questions correct. Okay, so we have done very little portion of the quiz. You have more than 12 questions coming. So Adnan, you need to answer all of the remaining questions correctly. Next one, 6 of 17. Hadihi ukhti is the question. So hadihi ukhti, 4 picture है, ठीक है? तो blue is a picture of an engineer. ये एक helmet पहने हैं. Orange is a helmet of a cool dude. तो वो एक t-shirt पहने हैं, shirt पहने हैं, तो is like a cool dude. Is red. Green is a picture of a very sincere person. चश्मा पहना है और बहुत सीधा साधा आदमी है. Orange is a question of a young girl. ठीक है? And question is hadihi ukhti. आपको चूज करना है ब्लू, रेड, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज. ब्लू में है इंजीनियर, रेड में है कूल डूड, ग्रीन में है सीधा साधा आदमी और ऑरेंज में है एक यंग लड़की. दो लोगों को अभी भी आंसर करना है काहूट पे जाके. क्वेश्चन इज हादिही उख्ती. गाइस जल्दी, इजी क्वेश्चन है, आप ज्यादा टाइम ले रहे हो. ठीक है, तो हमने ज्यादा टाइम दिया था क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट टाइम है, बट अगर आप ऑलरेडी फेमिलियर हो काहूट के साथ तो आपको जल्दी आंसर करना है. हादिही उख्ती. टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. 2 लोगों ने आंसर नहीं चूज किया अभी तक. ओके, सिर्फ 6 लोगों ने आंसर किया है. हादिही उख्ती, करेक्ट आंसर इज द गर्ल. ठीक है, उख्त है सिस्टर, हादिही है गर्ल. ये चारों पिक्चर में there's only one girl. ठीक है, तो ये गलत है. बाकी तीनों पिक्चर में आदमी है. इट कैन नॉट बी हादिही उख्ती. हादिही उख्ती needs to be a girl. There's only one girl which is orange. Orange is the correct answer. We will see who got it right. तो हाजिक is back in competition. तो हाजिक, सादिया 39,000. Adnan, unfortunately, I do not see you here. Mama and Hifza have strong competition for the first place. Okay, next question. She is Pakistani. ठीक है, see the question carefully. She is Pakistani. ये लड़की एक पाकिस्तानी है. लड़की के बारे में है क्वेश्चन कि लड़की कौन है. Blue हुआ पाकिस्तानियुन. Red हिया min पाकिस्तानियतुन. Green हिया min पाकिस्तानी. Orange हिया पाकिस्तानियतुन. Blue, red, green, orange. Yes, Sahan. What is your question, Sahan? Okay. सिर्फ 6 ही लोग खेल रहे लगता है. तो इसमें only 2 people answered correct. 4 people have got it wrong. हिया पाकिस्तानिया and 4 people said green. हिया min पाकिस्तानी. There are 2 mistakes with this. तो min मतलब from. ठीक है, हिया min मतलब she is from. अगर हिया min भी आता है, it will be हिया min पाकिस्तान. How will it be हिया min पाकिस्तानी? Pakistani is Pakistani person. Pakistani, Iraqi, Afghani. That is, say, a Pakistani person, but it is feminine, so it has to be हिया पाकिस्तानियतुन. It has to be this ta. और जब min आएगा, पाकिस्तानियतुन will not come. If it is min, it should be हिया min Pakistan. In green, there are 2 mistakes, which 4 people did not catch. Like only 2 people have got it correct. 1 person has got it wrong because it's हिया min Pakistaniya. She is from Pakistani. This is wrong. So हिया Pakistaniya is the answer. Min नहीं आएगा. Any question on this? So only 2 people have got it correct. I will repeat. Whenever we have min, here min Pakistan, here min Turkey, here min Syria, here min al Hind. ये और तुन, here Pakistaniyatun, here Pakistaniyun, here Pakistaniyatun will not come with min. तो सिर्फ ये आएगा और ये वर्ड आएगा, ठीक है? Only 2 people have got the answer correct. Scores again, Mama is first. Hifza is very, very close behind. So Hifza is giving tough competition. Mama has 3 correct answers. And Hazik and Sadia are fighting one more close battle. Adnan is still way behind. So Adnan did not revise. Next question. 8 of 17. Ahada mudarrisun. Question is Muhandisun, sorry. Ahata Muhandisun. It's a person with a helmet. It's an engineer. Ahata Muhandisun. Blue, la hada talibun. Red, la hada talibatun. Green, naam hadihi muhandisun. Orange, naam hada muhandisun. Ahada muhandisun is the question. The person is an engineer with a helmet. You need to pick blue, red, green, orange. Okay, we've got the answers. Naam hada muhandisun is the answer. Hada muhandisun. Is this an engineer? Yes, this is an engineer. So naam aega. Hada muhandisun. Green is wrong because it is hadihi. Hadihi will need a female person. Hadihi aega ladki ke sath. Muhandisun kyunki ladka hai, it will be hada. That's the difference between green and orange. Next question, we will see the points. Oh, Hifza is up. Hifza has got this correct. So Hifza first, Mama second, Sadia third, Hazik fourth, Zahan fifth. So moving forward. Next question. He is from Egypt. Again, pay attention. Trick question. He is from Egypt. Okay, we see map of Egypt, Misr. Blue, here min Misri. Red, huwa Misriyatun. Green, huwa min Misri. Orange, huwa min Misr. So blue, red, green, orange.
Can you repeat it once?
He is from Egypt. Okay. You need to choose the Arabic answer of he is from Egypt. Blue is hiya min Misriyun.
Okay.
Red is huwa Misriyatun. Green is huwa min Misriyun. Orange is huwa min Misr.
Brother, I won it. Now I came up to 6th place.
Okay, Adnan, you will explain why the answer is orange. See, this countries is one place where people are going wrong. Okay, so we see out of 8 people, only 3 have got it correct. And Adnan, you will explain why the answer is huwa min Misr. Why it is not A, why it is not blue, red or green? Why, what is the mistake with these 3 and why the answer is orange? Adnan,
Because it's Huwa min Misr.
why?
Because I remember in the homework we had done it.
Why? Adnan, explain. What is the mistake in here min Misri?
Hiya is female
Very good. And Misri is an Egyptian person.
person.
It's not Egypt. Egypt is Misr.
Yeah.
Okay, Misri for Egypt is wrong.
Okay.
What's wrong with this one, Adnan? Huwa Misriyatun.
Misriyatun. Misriyatun. Because it's Egyptian.
Egyptian female. Okay, Misriyatun is Egyptian female, which is wrong. This is a male person. And plus, for from, we need min.
Yeah.
So, huwa min. There's no min here. This is wrong. What's the mistake with this question? With this one, green.
Huwa min Misriya.
Okay, you also do not, you got the answer correct by luck, Adnan. See, huwa min Misriyun. The ending is a ya. Okay? The ya ending will not come with min. It's as simple as that. Huwa Misriyun without the min will mean he is Egyptian. He is Egyptian, he is from Egypt, there's a difference. Because there is from, there needs to be a min. He's from Egypt. I can be Indian and I can live in Egypt. So I'll be from Egypt, but I will be Indian. So I cannot be Hua Misriyun. I can be Hua min Misr if I live in Egypt. Okay, that's the difference. So we will see the points again. So Hifza is good with the country question. Hifza is doing well.
8th place, I came to 6th place.
You are at 6th place. Very good. Now you need to come to 1st place, Adnan. Come on. All the best. So Hifza first, Mama second, Sadia is little far behind. 5,800. Hazik 4,800. Zahan is pretty way down. Next, फुज़ैल लफीफा आपको जल्दी से करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना है. ठीक है, अब दोनों को पता है आंसर, तो आपको करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रू और फॉल्स. ठीक है, तो ट्रू और फॉल्स में हाँ या ना में आंसर देना है. क्वेश्चन इज हाउलाई अर्बअतु औलादिन. हाउलाई अर्बअतु औलादिन. We have the picture. In the picture we have 4 boys. ठीक है, औलाद means boys. तो हाउलाई अर्बअतु औलादिन. हाउलाई अर्बअतु औलादिन. हाउलाई is these. Arba'atu is what you need to see. Auladin is boys. So these are arba'atu boys. You need to answer true या false. So अगर ये सही है तो you'll answer blue true. अगर आंसर गलत है you will answer red false. ठीक है, तो हाँ या ना. हाँ is blue, yes is blue, no is false, red. एक क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं किया, सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन. Whoever has not answered, answer it quickly. ओके, एक पर्सन अभी भी आंसर नहीं किया है. तो हाउलाई अर्बअता औलादिन. सो अर्बअता इज 4. देयर आर 4 बॉयज. सो हाउलाई एक्चुअली अर्बअतु. हाउलाई अर्बअतु औलादिन. सो दीज आर 4 बॉयज. अर्बअतु इज करेक्ट. Arba'atu is the word for 4. So 6 people have got it correct. Next, we will see the points. Hifza is also good with numbers. So Hifza is number 1. Sadia number 3. Hazik number 4. Adnan number 5. Very good, Adnan. You are answering correct. Zahan, you need to catch up. Adnan is beating you. Now, next question. Where are you from? To a girl, to a female. ठीक है? तो आप कहाँ से हो? लड़की को पूछ रहे हैं. This is the question. पिक्चर में 2 लड़कियां आपस में बात कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन इज वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम. आप कहां से हो. ब्लू मा जिनसियतुकी. रेड मा जिनसियतुका. ग्रीन मिन आइना अंत. ऑरेंज मिन आइना अंती. I will repeat. Where are you from? To a girl. Blue ma jinsiyatuki. Red ma jinsiyatuka. Green min aina anta. Orange min aina anti. Very good. तो 6 लोगों ने करेक्ट आंसर किया है. तो वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम. ठीक है, तो फ्रॉम मतलब मिन. आर यू फ्रॉम इजिप्ट. तो मिन मिस्र. आर यू फ्रॉम टर्की. मिन तुर्किया. तो फ्रॉम मतलब मिन डेफिनेटली आना. ठीक है. 2 people have answered ma jinsiyatuki. Ma jinsiyatuki is where is what is your nationality. So answer of what is your nationality will be ana turkiyatun. But min aina anti is where are you from. The answer will have min. So ana min misr. Okay, that's the difference. So ma jinsiyatuki is a slightly different version. What's your nationality? The question is where are you from. Correct answer is orange. We'll see the points. Hifza seems like she answered late. The Hifza is 2 points behind Mama. Sadia, Hazik also have a very tough fight. So Hazia, Hazik have another tough battle. So Sadia is 6,700. Hazik is 6,600. Okay, so we'll see who's top 3. So it looks like Mama and Hifza are fighting for 1 and 2 position. Sadia and Hazik, among you, only one will be the 3rd. Okay, so you have a tough fight. Adnan, Fuzail, Afifa, Zahan, you are pretty lagging behind. You need to choose, you need to think and choose the correct answer. Next question. Haulai dash rijalin. Okay, so haulai means these. So it's the plural of hada, hadihi. Okay, so haulai is these. Dash is the number you have to fill. You have to choose the number. And rijalin is men. So these are dash number of men. You need to pick the number. Blue is arba'u, red is khamsatu, green is thalathatu, orange is arba'atu. You need to pick one of these four answers. One of these four answers is correct. So haula'i dash rijalin, number of men in this picture. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 men. Answer blue arba'u, red khamsatu, green thalathatu, orange arba'atu. Easy question, guys. Blue, red, green, orange. Very good. Khamsatu is 5. Arba'u is 4. So we see 5 men in this picture. Answer is khamsatu. 5 men, 4 men is wrong. Okay, there are 5. तो 4 आदमी सामने देख रहे हैं, एक पीछे देख रहा है, तो 5 आदमी है. Answer is khamsatu. So Hifza, you're still trailing behind slightly. Sadia and Hazik, the gap is closing, so only 2 points difference. Hazik has 3 correct answers in a row. Very good, Hazik. Come on, you need to reach second place. Next question, 13 of 17. What is your nationality? Masculine. Okay. Another trick question. You've got this answer wrong in the past. Okay, so pay attention. What is your nationality to a man? Answers: blue min aina anti, red ma jinsiyatuki, green min aina anta, orange ma jinsiyatuka. What is your nationality? Male. Blue, red, green, orange. So read the question, read the answers and answer. Blue is min aina anti, red is ma jinsiyatuki, green min aina anta, orange ma jinsiyatuka.
Other tell me one. Green or okay, I don't know.
Okay, one person is not answer. Answer quickly so that we can see the answers and move on. So answers are minaina ante, minaina anta, ma jinsiyatuki, ma jinsiyatuka. Okay, so ma jinsiyatuka, lot of people have got it correct. Again, देखो ma jinsiyatuka is what is your nationality? Min matlab from. Okay, you cannot choose min because min means from. From where are you is minaina anta, which is a slightly different question. Okay, min aina anta, my answer can be Anna min Chandigarh. Okay, Hazik, what will you say? Min aina anta?
Anna min Dindikal.
Anna min Dindikal, very good. Hifza, what will you say? Min aina anti?
Anna min Tamil Nadu.
Anna min Tamil Nadu, which is all correct. Where are you from? So the answer can be Dindikal, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, Cochin, Chandigarh. So that is min aina anta. Okay, where are you from? So if you don't see a from, there is no min. Okay, so if you answer min for this question, it is wrong. What is your nationality? Everyone's answer is the same. Anna Hindiyo, because everyone belongs to the country of India. Okay, Hifza has a little bit of catching to do. Hazik is number 3. Satya, you're losing. You have 3 correct answers, but you were slightly late. But it's okay. Only 4 points. So you can still catch up. And Adnan, you're doing well. Okay, you need to answer rest of the questions correctly. And there's a bonus question coming, Adnan. If you do the bonus question correct, and if you do it fast, you might get double points. Okay, but that is later. I'll tell you when is the bonus question. This is a regular question. Question 14. Fataha Nasirun dash abwabin. Okay, so Nasir opened dash number of doors. Over here in this picture, we see 4 doors. Okay, so your answer is going to be 4. So from the answers you see below, you need to choose which answer refers to number 4. Blue is khamsata, red is ithnani, green is arba'ata, orange is thalathata.
Sahib Chacha,
Yes, Zahan.
I did not understand the question.
See, in the picture you see 4 doors. You need to choose number 4. Okay, which of these answers is number 4? So number 4, is it khamsata, ithnani, arba'ata or thalathata? Which of these 4 answers is number 4? That is the question. Okay. Arba'ata is the correct answer. One person answered red, which is ithnani. Who will tell me what is ithnani?
4.
Ithnani. What is red?
2.
Ithnani. 2. Very good. What is orange? Thalathata.
3.
Thalathata is 3. Very good. Arba'ata is the correct answer because there's 4 doors. We see in this picture there are 4 doors. Okay. So correct answer is 4. Arba'ata. What is khamsata? No one has answered khamsata, blue. But what is khamsata?
5.
5. Okay. So khamsa is 5. Arba'ata is 4. Thalathata is 3. Ithnan is 2. The correct answer is 4. And we have a couple of number questions. So whoever's got it wrong, pay attention. I think there are 1 or 2 more number questions. Okay, so pay attention to the numbers. And if you have not learnt numbers already,
Sahabaya, what is Salasa?
Thalatha is 3. So it is Wahid, Wahidun, Ithnan, Thalatha, Arba'ata, Khamsata. So Wahidun, Ithnani, Thalathatun, Arba'atun, Khamsatun. Those are the numbers. So Arba'ata, Arba'atun refers to number 4. Okay. Okay, so Mama first, Hifza close behind. Hazik, if you get the bonus question, maybe you can reach 1, depends on how the others do. Sadia, you're pretty down. And Adnan, Zahan, Huzail, Afifa, you're all down. Anila, auntie has caught up to number 4 place. Okay. So, question number 16 is the bonus question. Okay. I'm not sure if it is question 15 or 16. Question 16, pay extra attention. It's the bonus question. This is question 15. This is not the bonus question. This is the normal question. So, hadihi dash kutubin. Okay. Another number question. Hadihi. These are dash number of books. So, in the picture, we see 3 books. Your answer has to be 3. So the answer blue is khamsatu, red is ithnani, green is thalathatu, orange is arba'atu. Okay, so which of these numbers is number 3? Khamsatu, blue,
Adya.
ithnani, red, green is thalathatu, arba'atu is orange. So one person still needs to answer. Very good, guys. Number, we just learnt numbers and so many more questions. Thalathatu is the correct answer because there are 3 books. 3 books. Now, Ithnan, which is red, is 2. It is not 2 books, it is 3 books. Arba'atu is 4 books, it is not 4 books, it is 3 books. So, Thalathatu is the correct answer and few people are not still clear with numbers. Numbers is the easiest part. Next question. Everyone be super prepared. Okay, so it's a little tricky question. You need to pay attention. And this is double points. Okay, so normal questions are 1000 points. This question is double points. So this question can really take you up if you answer correctly and if you answer it fast. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Bonus question. Two X points. Okay. Ahada mudarrisatun is the question. Ahada mudarrisatun. We see a man writing on a board. एक आदमी है जो बोर्ड पे लिख रहे हैं. Question is ahada mudarrisatun. Blue है नाम. Hadihi talibatun. Red la huwa talibun. Green la hada mudarrisun. Orange naam hada mudarrisatun. Bonus question, double points. Ahada mudarrisatun है question. 4 आंसर है. Blue naam hadihi talibatun. Red la huwa talibun. Okay, no one has answered it correct. Guys, trick question. जब trick question है, you need to pay extra attention. 7 people have answered orange. Someone explain to me what's the difference between orange and green. Who can tell me what's the difference between orange and green?
Orange is Yes, he's feminine, but green is masculine.
Yes, see, there's a ta marbuta, okay? So if it was a lady teacher, your answer is correct. So if you see a lady teacher, you will say Naam Hata Mudarrisatun. But here you see a man writing. So see, it's a purely a man. So this was the bonus question. So if you spotted that this was feminine, you would have got the correct answer. But unfortunately, everyone has the wrong answer. Blue, Naam Hatihi Talibatun. So both these answers have two mistakes, okay? So Hatihi is the second mistake. So Hatihi is feminine. Talibatun is also feminine, which is wrong. Here, this question has one mistake. You might have seen Hada and answered the question, but Hada will be Mudarrisun. It will not be Mudarrisatun. So bonus question, no one used the bonus marks. No last question, okay? You can move slightly up, slightly down. Easy question, last. Okay, we've already seen it's a numbers question. So pay attention. Last question. After this, we will see the rankings. So points are the same. So Mama is first, Hifza second, Hazik third, Sadia fourth, Anil Aunty 5, Zahan was late. Adnan, you did not do revision. Fuzail, Afifa, you're facing challenges. So you're also getting it wrong. Last question, guys. Hadani, Qalamani, dash. Okay. So these are, Qalamani refers to pens, refers to two pens in fact. There are two pens. Which of these answers refer to two? That is the question. So blue is Wahidun, red is Thalathatun, green is Thalathatani, orange is Ithnani. Which of these answers is the correct number 2? Okay, very good. Ithnani, everyone has the correct answer. So number 3 is Hazik. Congratulations, Hazik. Number 2 is Hifza. And number 1 is Mama. So, Hifza and Hazik, you guys tell, how did you score more points? What is the secret of your success? Hifza, you first.
I revised today morning.
Very good. And Hifza, Hazik were not even there in yesterday's revision class. So yesterday was also a revision class. And yesterday the others had the benefit of doing revision. But Hifza did revision today morning. Very good, Hifza. So you've got 14 out of 17 answers correct. It's only timing, which is the difference between you and Mama. Okay, which is a slight difference. So you are just barely 21 points behind and you are number 2. Hazik, what is the secret of your success? You are number 3.
There's no secret, but I was keeping on listening the classes from the starting, and I had a notes of everything, so it was easy for me to revise in the morning.
Very good.
We don't need Kahoot now, na?
No more Kahoot, guys. So this is Kahoot. We'll be using more of Kahoot. So nice that everyone's familiar now with Kahoot and everyone knows how to play Kahoot. So that is good. And you're nearing the end of the class. Okay. So that's it for today. Lessons to everyone. Okay. You will only learn the new language when you practice. The more practice you do, the more correctly you will answer and the more quickly you will answer. There's no more secret of learning a new language. Okay, and how do you practice? You listen, you play the class recordings, you do a lot of listening, and you do a lot of talking. And both of these come from your homework. Okay, so the more homework you do properly, the more lessons you revise and the more practice you do, you will learn faster. And this is only the first lesson. Okay, so first lesson, if you're not revising, future lessons you will face difficulty. So homework for the next class, we have seen Al-Usratu. Okay. Who will tell me what is Al-Usratu? Adnan, what is Al-Usratu?
My family.
Al-Usratu is the family. Usrati with the ya will be my family. Okay. So Al-Usratu is the family. Question to Zahan. What is the meaning of surah, Zahan? Hadihi suratun. What is the meaning of suratun? Zahan? Okay, I do not see Zahan. Adnan, you are here. So tell me, what is the meaning of suratun, Adnan? Who will guess what is the meaning of surah or suratun?
Surah means picture.
Picture, very good. So Hifza did not attend yesterday's class, but still she's answered the question. So homework for today, revise the vocabulary. We have done dialogue number 1. You will practice dialogue number 1 in pairs, okay? So send the recording to me. The homework is between the dialogue between Ali and Ammar. This is Al-Hiwarul Awwal. You've got to do practice. For instance, Hazik and Hifza will do practice. Ali says Assalamu alaikum. Hifza will say Wa alaikum assalam. Ali will say Hadihi suratu usrati. This is the picture of my family. So on and so forth. So you have to practice the dialogue. फुज़ैल अफीफा आप हो कॉल पे?
Yes.
ठीक है, तो होमवर्क क्या है फुज़ैल अफीफा? होमवर्क बताओ फुज़ैल अफीफा. होमवर्क है बुक के पेज नंबर 50, ठीक है, जो लेसन हमने कल पढ़ा था उसमें फर्स्ट डायलॉग अल हिवारुल अव्वल, ये जो डायलॉग है ये आपस में आपको बात करना है, ठीक है, और रिकॉर्ड करके मुझे भेजना है एज होमवर्क. समझ गए आप?
स्क्रीन पे आ ही नहीं रहा.
जूम पे जाना है आपको. जूम पे जा रहे हो आप? जूम पे जाओ वापस. ठीक है, अगर किसी को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हम कहाँ पे हैं या क्या बोल रहे हैं तो आप मुझे रोकिए, ठीक है. सो एनीवन हु इज नॉट विद मी और हु इज नॉट एबल टू फॉलो, प्लीज स्टॉप मी ड्यूरिंग द क्लास. जूम पे आप गए फुज़ैल अफीफा?
यस यस
दिख रहा है?
यस.
ठीक है, तो टेक्स्ट बुक फिर से आपके पास नोट्स भी है, थोड़े और वोकैबुलरी भी है. आपको मेन बुक खोलना है, ठीक है, जिसके 282 पेजेस है. बुक है अल अरबियतु बैना यदैक, बुक 1 पार्ट ए. इसका लिंक मैं आपको भेजा होगा और आपके फोन में आपने डाउनलोड किया होगा, ठीक है. तो होमवर्क क्या है फुज़ैल अफीफा, अभी आप समझाओ.
अल-हिवारुल अव्वल.
हाँ, ये डायलॉग बात करना आपस में, ठीक है. तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वालेकुम अस्सलाम. हादिही सूरतु उसरती माशाअल्लाह. वन हादिही हादा वालिदी अदनान व हुवा मुहंदिसुन. तो ये पूरा डायलॉग, ठीक है, ये वाला पेज, तो पूरा पेज नंबर 50 डायलॉग आपस में बोल के प्रैक्टिस करना. समझ गए?
यस.
Okay, Adnan, are you on the call? I do not see Adnan. He seems to have left. Okay, guys. So on that note, we will close. Do the homework. Send the homework to me. So Hazik, Hifza, I still have to check your homework which you sent yesterday. So I'll do the evaluation today, inshallah. And on that note, we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ma salama.
Walaikum assalam.
Jazakallah khair.
Wa yakum.
अस्सलाम.